In the Warsh recitation, which is the second most popular recitation, you have rules for the Taghleedh of lam. In Warsh, they use the word Taghleedh, which is the same thing as tafkhim, or thick or heavy, when they say law instead of la. And what happens is, there's some examples over here for you. The first one, الَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنْ صَلَاتِهِمْ سَاهُونَ. So in Hafs you say صَلَاتِهِمْ, but Warsh, the Taghleedh of the lam, you say صَلَاتِهِمْ because you have a sod before it. And remember the letters before it is sod, ta, and dal, not the dod. Saw, ta, and dal, those are the three letters there. And another example, Ya qawmi innakum zalamtumu anfusakum. So over here, the law. So not in Hafs you say the la, but over here because you have a the in front of it, this one becomes heavy, thick, say the law. And in the Warsh Musafs, they usually put like a dot underneath it to show that it is pronounced heavy or thick. And then another example, Mim Makami Ibrahima Musalla, over here, because there's a sword in front of it and you have a lamb, and this is alif, say Musalla. So that's one way to recite it over here. The other way you could do it is they call it Taghleedh, which is between the fatha and the kasra, but only a quarter of the way. Between the fatha and kasra is 50-50, but between that and between the fatha. So it's like 25% towards the kasra and 75% towards the fatha. So musalleh, that's the other way to do it. But so two ways to do it over here, either the Taghleedh or the imala sugra, musalleh, or you say musalla if you're going to stop with the alif, musalla with the Taghleedh of the lam. In Hafs, you say musalla, that's how you say it, because the lam is always pronounced thin, except in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But the Warsh, you have the Taghleedh of the lam. And the other example, Salamun hiya hatta matla il fajr. Matla il fajr, I said in the Warsh, matla, because you have the ta in front of the lam. And you see that in the Warsh Musaf, they put a little dot underneath it, so the Taghleedh of the lam. And that's some examples of the Taghleedh of the lam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.